close to the tree root.
So while Petra gets ready, we've just been drawn to the floor unexpectedly by some particularly beautiful looking forest soil and leaves and the smell. And now we're digging with our hands and knives, looking for things.
This is like lovely soil because you've got this soft, deep upper organic layer which the mycorrhizas love, and then you just brush it aside and you can see all the little fine root tips. They're just here, right in this right upper layer, and so this is where all the little fine root tips are, right here. They're just there. You don't have to dig down for them.
Oh, the dog's coming to do some digging.
You're going to
too.
help. Sometimes,
super help. Oh, here we go.
We have,
Sorry.
we have fungi dog.
We've got a digger.
That was kind of what happened there, dog?
She does that. She digs and then she runs away and digs again. It's exciting.
Sometimes it's quite useful when you're excavating roots to have ecology dog. And then, so dog has now exposed these root tips. So these like root tips will all be colonised with mycorrhizal fungi, which are foraging in this organic layer. And then if we look at these little root tips, they just look sort of brown. But then when we look under the microscope, well, the loop, you can just see by hand, but all the little fine root tips are fat, sort of, they're brown, unfortunately. It'd be nice to get some yellow, pink ones. But they're all sort of fat and juicy because they've all been colonised by the mycorrhizal fungi, every single root tip, and it changes like the structure of the root. So it makes it bigger, it makes it fatter, it makes it juicier. There's some very fine little hyphae coming off these which germinate into the soil. But yeah, they're all completely colonised with mycorrhizal fungi, just there.
Fascinating.
Yeah, so you can see them. I want to see if I can find a nice, different one that's not brown.
What type of tree are we under?
We are
Conifer?
under a Sitka.
Sitka spruce, quite a big old Sitka spruce that has been very nice and straight, I might add, in quite a thinned area.
Yeah, the same brown ones here. They're all kind of going through this bit of rotting leaf, getting all the nutrients off the rotting leaf. Put them back and see if I can find. Quite often all the ones in the same area might be the same sort of fungal species.
Yeah, I guess what we could do is try under a different set of trees later as well.
Yeah, try under a pine or